lakes reflecting a solar beast, a celestial blue orb, the war heroes, seduction, sharp teeth, harmless protection, evil forces for all God believers, sheep and shepherds, fears and threats, world destruction for death and rebirth, to found a middle world and swallow moons and suns. No force control, but holy guide for Celtic's Indian's mind, drawing a shadow in the moonlight, finding a shelter on the misty night. I can read most of you heathen thoughts. We're deep inside our heart. Don't feel the feel you may look into my eyes. Silent blood steal your soul. I will always be near you, mighty wolf. Sometimes hiding from the day, from the psychic vampire that's sucking all my blood. In an oaky cage as a warm hideaway, I will swallow all your sorrows, 3 overdoses. My sleeping instinct, my guide got lost. My guide got lost. Cold moon wind blows in my hair. Keep licking wounds, emotion scars. Still scratching the past, the tracking's not fair.